Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E14, and today I will show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contacts application like this one right over here. You can see that it's displaying a bunch of contacts already for me right here. These contacts are all being displayed from the Google account. Now, if you tap on that little icon, you can also change to display contacts from for instance, the device itself, where I have only one contact. I'm pointing that out just so later on, once I import the contacts, you can see the difference. Anyway, so we're going to navigate to Organize, and then we're going to select Import from File, probably not. There we go. So it's Manage a SIM. And you can see all the contacts are being now selected by default. Now, this might not always be the case. I'm not sure why there are two devices visible, or whatever. As you can see, if I select the Google account, I cannot select any of these contacts because all of them already exist on the Google account. So the device is stopping me from importing duplicate contacts. Now, if I change it to the device, you can see that automatically they all become selected, and I can deselect ones that I might not want. From there, click on Import. And when you go to Contacts List, depending on where you have imported your contacts to, which for me that would have been the device, you might need to switch to the location, and it should then display all the contacts. That you can see, they're all visible here. So, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.